This presentation is regarding implementation meeting 3. Um, this is for Group 6, and for our group we have Michelle Bear and Tolulope Oladipo. So for this group, this implementation meeting 3, it's in progress to our implementation meeting 2 that we had a week before. So right now the communication protocol this week we had email correspondence. So we communicated severally through email, and then we had a phone call to review the artifacts presented by Tolu, myself, and then we had some conferences. So we had some session where we had some conferencing, and during this meeting we discussed on some current noticeable improvement in our classroom. We both teach computer science and application software. So we exchange data and idea as regard improvement so far, in our classroom. So the working protocol that I had sent earlier, Tolu, myself, we review my artifacts. So the working protocol was turning and consultancy protocols. So the artifact reviews were some past student work, the unit plan. This are presented with the Smart Learning Goal, the results, and then simulations and grader exams, and then simulation projects. And some new artifacts that were presented and reviewed were related to real-world projects on applications on software. Okay, so we also reviewed this artifact as well that are related to my smart target learning goal. So like I told you, we shared our work and we reviewed and also look at the work that I presented, the artifacts, and the student work as well. We also have some discussions around test-based discussions, and at the same time we review some formative data which I've presented to you, and these were some of the artifacts that we reviewed. And so on the deliverable that were considered, so we look at the action plan, and also the DIGO share, and also the artifact evaluation as well were some of our deliverable. Before I move into week 8 reading, I'm going to share some progress I made from this review and the meeting. So I gained new knowledge that have been will be very useful in implementing the data action plan through the review and also the article that we review and the artifact. I learned more about differentiated lessons, and I also share knowledge of student work with my teammates. So that brought me abreast with current happenings. Some other recommendation my teammates gave me about improving instructions in my class. One of the benefits I also gain is having the implementation period reviewed ahead, and that will contribute towards the data action plan. So for the week 8 reading, this is the article we chose, and in the article explore how to improve teaching method. The article also look at differentiated instructions, and the article here we look at the usefulness, and it helps us to determine how we can best teach application software and how we can introduce differentiated instructions. Review protocol for obstacles. So we came up with some recommendation how to improve instructions and how to introduce Office 2016. So my reflection and suggestion for improvement. I strongly believe, since we're reviewing student data and sharing student data, we probably need to look into FEPA. Okay, what does the federal law says about student data how are we able to share data and exchange student data. Thank you. Bye.